Frank, we still have a little bit of a water problem in the basement, and when we got here, you had a big water problem.
Yeah, it's gotten a lot better. It used to be the old gutter system drained into these old sewer lines here.
Right.
We pulled the old gutters out, capped them off with cement. Noticed the water problem started to subside a bit.
Right. But we're still going to have a lot of water coming off this roof, and we do want to get it away from the house, right, Roger?
Right, and one of the issues where you are, Kevin, is a hump, and you can see there's a low spot trapping water in against the house.
Yep, okay.
And over here, we have a downspout that's coming out right at the foundation. Now, that water is just going to wash down and do damage to the brick and the mortar.
So we got to do some grading, but we also got to do what with these gutters?
We got to get the water out into the lawn away from the house. So we're going to put in a system of pipe that will carry the water to a dry well.
Nice.
Right, little digging involved, and we're fortunate we got volunteers here today. Mike and Joe are going to start digging for us.
All right, well, I love to see the volunteers, and I love to see the heavy equipment. We ready to dig?
We are, Kevin, because we called ahead and had the gas line marked out, so now we are ready to dig and safe to dig.
Nice, all right. So that's our tank there, Roger?
That's a tank, a 50-gallon tank.
So how are you deciding how big of a tank we need for our house?
Well, there's a formula to figure out how many gallons you're going to have, and that starts by measuring the roof. We know our roof here is 30 by 40. So that's 1,200 square feet. But we divide that in half because we've already put a tank out and back, and that leaves us 600 square feet.
So how does 600 square feet of roof translate in terms of gallons of water in a rainstorm?
Well, there's a formula, so we're going to use 600 square feet times 0.62.
Okay.
And during a 1-inch storm, that's how many gallons you get, is over 300 gallons.
So it's like 360 gallons,
Right.
But you got a 50-gallon tank. So in a 1-inch storm, we're in trouble or what?
1-inch storm is a massive storm and not the average you're going to get.
Right.
But we have 50 gallons plus what we leach in the trench, what to leach out around the tank.
Yeah, so this is a perf pipe, so we're going to lose some water there. We're going to lose a lot of water in the hole.
Yep. And then what's going to happen is we're going to put a cap on this that when it fills up, the water will come out and it'll go down on the grass away from the house. The key is we're getting all this water away from the house.
So even in a massive storm now, the water's going to be out here, not in there. So this is going to be a big improvement.
Going to make a big difference for them.
All right.
Let's put some stone on top of it, guys. Great.
Okay, Roger, I've got your pop top.
Now this is going to sit on top of your tank. If your tank ever filled with water, it'll take and open up and allow that water to escape out onto the lawn, and then afterwards it'll close and then no leaves or debris will get in there and it'll work fine for you.
All right. So a little more stone in here.
Yep, flip the fabric over, put some soil on top, and we are done.
All right, well, we are going to keep working in the kitchen. We got some work to do in there, but thanks for this.
You're welcome.
All right, Frank, you with me? Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.